Hello traders, welcome back. It is the first day of August 2024. Don't forget what we do here. We share our trade ideas every day on currency pairs and Bitcoin. So let's get to the chart. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification. So let's get to the chart and see what we have here. So yesterday we're talking about selling either GBP Swiss franc or Euro Swiss franc or Aussie dollar Swiss franc. So, but then on that video, I said I might be taking GBP Swiss franc or Euro Swiss franc. Yeah, those would be my best bets. So let's get into it and see why I wanted to sell these pairs. So, okay, this is GBP Swiss franc. Yeah, one of them. And I had said I was joining this trade immediately after that video, and I did that. So I got about 24 pips. 25 pips on that trade straight up. Any video I drop here, I would have scrutinized it so well before I drop them. So always endeavor to take advantage of this opportunity. We put this content out here for free, completely free. We give you reasons. We give you reasons why we are looking at doing what we want to do in the market. So yesterday during the video, the market was somewhere around this area and I was talking about selling it. And why did I want to sell it? Basically because it was on a downtrend and this level here was holding, then it crossed it, retested it. Then we were certain that it was coming all the way down and our target was to come to this blue, psychological level right here, this big psychological level right here. So, and of course, you can see the trade was very clear, simple and clear. Cross this level, retested it, and then give a new low, a new high here, a lower high. So immediately I saw it, I got on it from this point. But the major catalyst was that it had crossed here and retested it. Yeah, that was the major reason. So, but then when I woke up, I found out that it was it because ordinarily I would have joined the trade from this point when it crossed and retested. But then since I couldn't, when I woke up, I found out that it was here. And after the analysis, I joined this trade at this point and then put this line here again. And then this line right here, because the market had tested it here again. So I was looking at it that, okay, if it crosses here, it gives more confirmation of bringing this market further down. So, and then look at what happened. Remember, I said I was just talking about getting to this psychological level. And one good thing about trading is that you have to get yourself disciplined, right? So, and then I was looking for 24 pips. Yeah, basically I was looking for 24 pips and I said it very clearly in the video. So, and I put this, I entered, and so it gave me 24 pips. I went off the market. I was risking about, I think 14 pips, yeah. To get 24 pips. That was quite a fair deal. So, and then I got it, took my eyes off the market, and the market did all this, movement right here. And then the way it's looking at today, I'm thinking of selling it further, but then my problem is the risk to reward, right? The risk to reward is not giving me, what I want, because if I join this trade here now, I'll be targeting this thick psychological level right here, which would be about 20 pips, and then I'm risking about 16 pips. So the risk to reward is not, very encouraging. So that's why I'm not very much, comfortable to take this trade. But then I'll keep an eye on it and then see how it goes. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification. We give out our trade ideas here every day for free. So let's get to Euro Swiss franc to see how that trade as well went. So I think this is it. So this is Euro Swiss franc. If you remember yesterday when I was making the video, I talked about it that this should be the best. And then look at it, it was on a psychological level. And then, yeah, you can see that the pressure down on this pair is more. That's why I said it was the best bet. So you can go check the video yesterday. If you listen to the video yesterday, you see I said it there clearly. And then look at this, movement here, you can see the pressure down is stronger and clearer. And then we got this, M pattern here. The M is so clear, very clear M pattern coinciding with, happening on a psychological level, coinciding with the trend, trend line. So everything was intact to sell this pair. And then it had come here, crossed Yeah, this, look at these rejection candles we got at this area here. These rejection candles here. So the market had come, crossed it and retested it. So it was giving 50 pips assurance, right? Crossed it, retested it. You can see the retesting here, retouching. So it was screaming, 50 pips in profit, 40 pips in profit. Just get into this shit and then look at the end pattern. Come on, guys. Very clear, very clear came, so the market was too clear. So, and then I put it out here yesterday that people can take advantage of it. I even spotted it during the analysis because GBP and Euro, they have some kind of correlation. They are correlated in a way. Any kind of movement the other one is making with other pairs, that's what maybe GBP is making with any other pair. You see Euro making similar movements. So now I spotted that this was actually the best. So although I didn't get on this one, but I got on the one I had in mind, which was a GBP Swiss franc, because I had it in mind even before making the video. But then during the video, I spotted this Euro CHF. So that was why I didn't take this one, because my mind wasn't on it per se. But then I still saw a very good trade here. But then I believe some of you took it, and then even if you got about 50 pips, it's quite a good one. So today again, I'm hoping to sell it further. Yeah, I'm hoping to sell this further, but then it will be after I have seen a kind of a movement. But for now, this movement is looking very bearish, but let me see how it happens. Let me see. I'll keep my eye on it to see to sell it further. But then it should be at a retest of here. Let me see. It should be at the retest of this psychological level here. So how many pips are we going to risk? So let's risk about 14. Let's risk about 14. And then hope to catch about 30. Okay. That's okay. Although there is no level below where we can use to see, oh, this is where the market is coming. Okay, it's actually on a downtrend. Let's see, maybe the market is coming to this level, right? To this psychological level, yeah. Let me make it thick, right? Okay. So I think this will work as well. Let me be sure. So I think this will work. Yeah, this should work. But then this is not a very sure, because of this market is looking quite bearish. Bearish move is too much, so maybe there should be a retracement up to this level. Let me check. But then it's going to sell. It's going to sell. But then before it sells, it might be coming up to this point. Yeah. Before it sells, it will be coming up to this point. So therefore, let me move this up here. If it comes here and gives a reaction, then we'll begin to sell. But then if it comes here and crosses, we begin to buy it to come to this level right here, to this level. Yeah. So two things are about to happen here. If it comes here and is not able to cross this level right here, then begins to come down, then it means that it's coming all the way to this psychological level. But then if it comes and crosses it and retests it, we should buy it to come to this level. But my eyes will be wide open on this pair. Let me check if there is news to see how the news might be affecting it. So today is Friday. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. Okay, today is Thursday. So we have, okay. Okay, we have a Bank of England monetary policy today at 12 noon, GMT +1. Okay, we'll keep an eye on this. Then, so this is basically what I'm looking at today: Euro Swiss franc and GBP Swiss franc. But then after this news now, I think, yeah, I would look for a way to trade this news. Yeah. I'll see how this monetary policy today is going to, help us take a decision on this pair. And as well here, if we get a cross and retest of here, it means that this is coming up to here. But whatever happens, I will put it on the Telegram channel. Please, you can follow the link on this video to join the Telegram channel. I must put this trade out there for you guys because it is something that you need to see how I'm taking it before you join the trade. But that is it for this. So please don't forget to like this video, turn on the bell notification, and subscribe to this channel, please. So let's go over to Bitcoin. Yeah, I woke up this Bitcoin. I woke up this morning and I'm not feeling very good about Bitcoin. Let me check. So Bitcoin, I wasn't expecting Bitcoin to break this level of 66,000. Now Bitcoin is on 64,000. So not very much happy, and it is seeming more like this bullish trend is over. This bullish trend is seeming is over. Because if this movement gets to 62,000, I've been saying it, should Bitcoin cross 62,000, forget it, is coming all the way to 30,000, 40,000. 40,000, 30,000, yeah. It would be the end of the bullish trend, and that is what is seeming now. So it is best to sell whatever you're holding on Bitcoin and then begin to look for selling opportunities. So that is what Bitcoin is looking like at the moment. So that is it for this video. Thank you for staying to this point. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification. Thank you. Do have a great day.